Hello and welcome to Cibse West Midlands Region Bite-Sized Briefing Short. In the news recently is Grenfell, heatwaves, digital twins, scrapping of EV grants, nuclear and 125 years of Cibse. My name is Josh Brownlee and I'm the chair for the Cibse West Midlands Region Committee, and it's great to have you join me today. Let's see what's been in the news recently. It's been 5 years since the Grenfell tragedy, and there's an article on the BBC News website about whether you should stay put if there's a fire in your tower block. Heat waves, there's an interesting article on the BBC website about heat waves and how you can help yourself and help others to live and work through them. It's interesting seeing passive strategies like thermal mass and nighttime cooling strategies being brought into use. There's another article there on digital twins. This article is mainly on digital twins of people, but I think that any property or business or construction project needs to have that digital twin as well in the current era. There's an article about electric vehicle charging system grants being scrapped towards in the future, and with our move to low and zero carbon transport and pollution and connected to heat waves, I found that quite interesting reading. The nuclear has also been in the news, blocking the sun, autonomous trains, planes and automobiles. How should governments approach the regulation of technologies only recently considered science fiction? There's a link in the bio to an event on June the 14th. And finally, Cibse 125. So from 125 years of Cibse, sorry. From a small group of dedicated Victorian engineers seeking to increase their knowledge about science and heating and ventilation to a 21,000 member global organisation that covers every facet of the building services industry. And an interesting insight from the Cibse ASHRAE Graduate of the Year, Lucy Sherburn.
So I'm really excited about getting involved in the challenges over the next year. One of the programs that I'm involved in at the moment is called Cibse, which is going on a program where you kind of get taught how to build your confidence on screen and going into classrooms. And then as a female, you become a visible role model to then go and do STEM programs with children aged 7 to 9. So that's a really great way for people to get involved in and help inspire the next generation of engineers at a really, really young age. But I think there's also, you can get involved at like a secondary school level, doing kind of more mentoring or kind of outreach, explaining what building services is. And then also another thing that I often get involved with in my own company is just going back to my university and doing outreach presentations, explaining what building services is, and that is an industry that's open to, I think, any sort of engineer. You could be a mechanical or electrical. I was a chemical engineer who came into building services. So yeah, I think going out and doing outreach, letting people know that the industry is open to them, and it's actually a really exciting place to be, is a great way to inspire future engineers.
Inspirational stuff from such a young engineer. And our Cibse president, Kevin Mitchell, has recently sent some information out about the Cibse 125 challenge. And we are tasked to improve the visibility and show the impact of building services engineers. There are 5 elements to this: celebrate, inspire, boost, share and engage, spelling the word Cibse or the institution Cibse. Is there someone who has supported your professional development that you'd like to get acknowledged? Are you involved in any STEM or outreach activities? Is there an early career engineer you would like to nominate for the Cibse Graduate or Apprentice of the Year awards? Share your journey to a career in building services engineering, and how are you engaging in work around the transition to net zero, and can you share this? All content covered in today's episode is copyright of the respective owner Links to the articles are available in the bio. Cibse accepts no responsibility for external links. If you'd like to comment or get involved or contribute, please don't hesitate to get in contact. I thank you for joining me today and look forward to the next time.